Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by removing pinned icons with the standard method. Right-click the taskbar icon and choose Unpin from taskbar to remove it instantly. Alternatively, click and drag a pinned icon upward and release it to remove it from the taskbar. If the icon returns after removal, open Settings and uninstall the app to prevent reappearing. Uninstalling stops background services and removes shortcuts. Always save work before uninstalling to avoid losing open data. To hide notification area icons, open Settings, then go to Personalization and Taskbar. Scroll to the Notification Area section and click Select which icons appear. Toggle individual app icons off to hide them from the system tray immediately. For system items, choose Turn System Icons on or off and toggle them as needed. This method hides icons without uninstalling apps. Changes apply instantly and persist after reboot, unless the app. When icons refuse to disappear, force a refresh by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and click Restart to refresh the taskbar and tray. If the icon still persists, uninstall the app from Settings, Apps and Features to remove its shortcuts. For corrupted icons, close Explorer and delete the icon cache. DB file from your user app data folder, then restart Explorer again. These steps clear stubborn entries and restore a clean taskbar appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.